Okay, today, if you see the number of stocks which has moved more than 4% is 6.6%, and less than 1% has dropped less than more than 5%. So the one day ratio, if you see, it's 7.4, and the trend is upside. And so the buying continued to yesterday. And if you see the candle strength, more than 45% of the stocks has closed about 70% of their candle body. So, which means it's more of like they are closed near their highs, within 30% range of their highs. So, and if you see the swing, whether swing traders can trade in these conditions or not, yes, because the 10 SMA is above the 21 SMA, which is bullish signals, and also the price is above both of the 10 and 21 SMA, which is a leading swing indication. Yes, now it is very good for swing traders. It has been good for long days actually. So it is an on condition for swing traders. And if you see the Nifty 500 stocks 4 week chart from last and 9th December, it is going upside and it has crossed all time high also. I think let's see whether it has crossed or not. Yes, it has crossed the all time high, 52 high at least. See, okay, and how about the breadth, total market breadth? You see, yesterday's momentum was also good. The total market has been 1% upside, and if you see the 5500, it has moved 0.7 percentage upside, and 50 0.7 percentage. And the market width is very big, which means 73% of the stocks in the total market has closed upside when compared to the previous day. And if you see standard indices performance of the NSE, yesterday Nifty Junior has performed well, and then mid cap, 5500, Nifty 50, and then small cap. So if you see the whole week performance, Nifty Junior has performed well, and then mid cap. So mid cap stocks are moving faster. So which is a good sign for bull trend. I mean, which is about to start, I believe. So if you see over here in the last 1 month, metals has performed very well. Of the standard indices that we have in NSA, these are the metal, public banks, public sector banks, auto, realty, and the banking index, IT, finance, financial services basically, the private sector banks, media, pharma, FMCG. These are the typical indices that we have in NSE. And out of them, in the last whole month, metal and public metals have performed really good, and public sector banks has started performing again because this is the index which has performed in the whole year. This is the best index actually. So now they started again performing. If you see when it compared coming to weekly performance, FMCG did very bad. Pharma is being neutral, and IT is also not good. When you see the best performance, metal, public banks, and auto, and media. And yesterday performance reality has come into picture. So let's see whether reality will perform the next week also. So let's keep an eye on reality and media. For now, need to focus on metal, public banks, and auto. Whereas thematic indices, energy sector is also doing good, and the PSC sector. So if you see industry momentum, coal has done very good. And if you see the trend of the coal for last 1 year, it is at all-time high. And FMCG stationery and seafood. What else FMCG? Yeah, FMCG edible oil is also doing good. It is in top 20. Basically, if you see the top 20, 30 industries, you can see a sector basically. So if you see over here, FMCG stationery industry and FMCG seafood industry, both are into FMCG sector itself. The same way FMCG edible oil is there. Then again, yeah. And apart from that, you see energy sector which is good. Paints, consumer durables, auto components. Here we have seen already. Auto is did great, stood in third in weekly performance, and even yesterday it has performed good. So out of auto, which sector, which industry is doing good? Let's see. Auto components or auto auxiliaries we call it. Auto auxiliaries, spare parts and all those things are doing good. And apart from that, auto three wheelers are doing good. Yeah, and then auto tires. So auto commercial vehicles and passenger vehicles, they are also good, but they are not as good as auto auxiliaries, auto components. So if you see now here metals, we have metal diversified is there, metal non-ferrous is there, minerals and mining. So actually this is the one industry which has performed very good for last 50 days. So it is at all time high. So let's see who are at all time high currently with respect to 50 days. No, let's see with respect to 200. So in 200 ways, metals diversified and metals non-ferrous are at all-time high. Even healthcare R&D, FMCG personal care is also at all-time high. Exchanges is at all-time high, reaching all-time high, and the auto passenger vehicles is reaching all-time high. And the banks, private banks is also at all-time high. So let's see with respect to RS. This is nothing but relative strengths rank by including the performance of all 1 day, weekly, monthly, 3 days, 200 days, who has been doing good. It, so it shows that FMCG seafood has been performing really good. Metals non-ferrous is performing very good. Refineries and marketing. This one. That's the reason BPCL and other oil companies stocks are doing good. And the coal is one doing very very good. Thing. Coal sector stocks. You need to check it out. So yesterday it has performed 7%. Oh, so let's see what is the whole stocks. I don't know why it is so slow because I'm recording. So I should change the recorder, screen recorder basically. Fine. Out of two coal stocks, one is Sandham and Coal India. Oh, both has performed really good.